Hello, this is Sabika Sayyed. Welcome to the print headlines. Nitin Nabin takes charge as BJP's National Working President following an official felicitation ceremony at the party headquarters in New Delhi. Prime Minister Narendra Modi arrives in Amman on an official visit to Jordan, where he is received by Jordanian Prime Minister Jafar Hassan. Football icon Lionel Messi greets fans at the Arun Jaitley Stadium as Visca Barca chants echo across the venue. Supreme Court of India grants protection from arrest to actors Shreyas Talpade and Alok Nath until the conclusion of the investigation in a cheating and a breach of trust case. Delhi High Court advises lawyers to opt for hybrid hearings, with Chief Justice of India Suryakant also urging members of the bar and parties in person to avail hybrid appearances before the Supreme Court. Hundreds of flights are delayed and several diverted after departures from Delhi airport are halted for nearly 6 hours till 10 am due to dense fog. BJP appoints Union Commerce and Industry Minister Piyush Goyal as election in charge for the upcoming Tamil Nadu Assembly elections. Supreme Court grants interim bail to journalist Mahesh Langa in a money laundering case linked to allegations of fraud. The National Investigation Agency (NIA) files a charge sheet in April 2025 Pahalgam terror attack case. Minister of State for Science and Technology Jitendra Singh introduces the Shanti Bill 2025 in Parliament, proposing repeal of key nuclear laws and opening the sector to private participation. Centre is set to introduce the Viksit Bharat Guarantee for Rozgar and Ajival Mission Grameen Bill 2025 aimed at replacing the Manrega. With Delhi's air quality remaining in the severe category, the Singapore High Commission issues an advisory urging its nationals in Delhi NCR to follow health precautions. A mass shooting at Sydney's Bondi Beach leaves at least 15 people dead and 40 injured. Police identify the accused as a father-son duo, with the younger suspect previously probed for alleged ISIS links. Hong Kong media tycoon and pro-democracy activist Jimmy Lai is found guilty on national security and sedition charges, raising the possibility of life imprisonment. Hollywood director Rob Reiner and his wife Michelle found dead at their Los Angeles home, with police probing the incident as an apparent homicide. United States of America begins screening social media accounts of all H-1B and dependent H-4 visa applicants starting today, following a State Department order. India's exports rise 19.37% to $38.13 billion in November, while imports fall 1.88% to $62.66 billion according to government data. Shares of PVR INOX surged 8% after strong box office performance of Dhurandhar, which collects rupees 351.75 crore rupees in 10 days. Actor Ranveer Singh thanks fans on social media as his latest film crosses rupees 550 crore worldwide, with expectations of a strong Monday collection. England includes pacer Josh Tongue for the must-win third Ashes Test in Adelaide. Josh Tongue replaces Gus Atkinson. That's all we have for you today. We'll be back tomorrow with the latest.